All right, hey, so that was kind of fun, right? How to draw different kinds of comic eyes that are pretty from the front view. Well, now what I want you to do, I'm sure you've already guessed it, is I want you to draw a bunch of eyes. And I mean a bunch of eyes. I want you to fill them up. I want you to follow the simple rules that we learn on how to draw the eye from the front view. Make sure to start with that same shape every time and don't change it up. And you're going to see yourself drawing pretty eyes in no time. So they say that to get good at drawing anything or get good at doing anything, you got to do at least 100 times. That sounds insane, right? But it's true. The more eyes you draw, the better you'll draw them. So for now, at least fill up an entire page full of eyes. I mean, draw at least 20 eyeballs before even moving on to the next part of this course. Trust me, the exercises pay off. You don't get good at playing the piano by just watching a video, right? You have to put the time in. You have to play the piano, play the piano, play the piano until your fingers want to fall off. Same thing with drawing. You got to draw and draw and draw and draw, and that's the only way you're going to get better. All right, so hey, get to drawing.